I'm wearing the new Orvis Ultralight waders, and there's a good reason I'm wearing them. First of all, it's early summer in Patagonia. We're going to be walking a lot, walking along spring creeks. The weather's warm, but the water's cold. And these waders are, well, they're 35% lighter than the pro waders. So we came in on horseback and we're leaving on helicopter. So weight is a real big advantage. And not only that, but they're super comfortable. The fabric is 10% more abrasion resistant than the old Ultralights. It's 10% lighter, so it's stronger but more durable. But the greatest feature on these waders for hot weather is the fact that you can use them as waist waders, and then all you do when you get in the water and you're wading deep is you slide them up and they magnetically attach with these fidlock snaps, and the back rides up automatically. It slides up and down. In the old style waders, you had to try to reach behind you and reattach the waders, and it just didn't work very well. So now they just slide up and down, and there you go. You're ready to go. Light, comfortable, very breathable, and very waterproof. Yeah, I guess so. On the swing. Don't go up there.